Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the top 2 3-seater sofas you can grab for under 17,000 rupees. These are perfect for those looking for comfort and style on a budget. Plus, I've got the latest offers and discounts lined up for you. You can find the links to buy them with those great deals in the description below. Let's get started. Gozi fabric 3-seater sofa in ivory cream color. With its sleek, contemporary design and soft ivory cream color, the Gozi 3-seater sofa brings both style and comfort to any living room. Its clean lines and neutral tones make it a versatile piece for all types of decor. Measuring 67 inches in width, the spacious sofa comfortably seats 3 people. Whether you are lounging, reading, or watching your favorite shows, it offers a perfect seating experience. Crafted from high-quality fabric, the Gozi sofa feels soft to the touch and is designed to last. It's easy to clean, making it perfect for family rooms or areas with heavy use. The Gozi sofa is designed with an ideal seating height of 18 inches, providing great comfort whether you are sitting or reclining. It's perfect for everyone in the family. Plus, with a generous 36-month warranty, you can rest assured about its durability. And don't worry about assembly, it's taken care of by professional carpenters, so you can enjoy your new sofa right away. Get this amazing sofa for just 15,999 rupees, down from 25,999 rupees, saving you a whopping 38%. It's the perfect time to invest in quality furniture for your home. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Click the link in the description below to buy the Gozi fabric 3-seater sofa from Pepperfry today. Baley Leatherette 3-seater sofa in dark brown color. This beautiful dark brown leatherette sofa is the epitome of style and elegance. Its rich color and sleek design make it a perfect fit for both modern and traditional living room settings. With a width of 68 inches, the Baley sofa comfortably accommodates 3 people. It's spacious enough for lounging with family or friends, all while maintaining a compact, sleek profile. Crafted with high-quality leatherette, the sofa offers a premium look and feel. The material is easy to maintain, providing durability and a luxurious aesthetic without the upkeep of real leather. Designed with a comfortable seating height of 18 inches, the Baley sofa is perfect for long hours of relaxation. Whether you're watching TV, reading, or entertaining guests, it ensures comfort all day long. Enjoy peace of mind with the 36-month warranty that comes with the sofa. And don't worry about setting it up, Pepperfry handles all the assembly with professional carpenters, so it's hassle-free for you. You can own the stunning 3-seater sofa for just 16,749 rupees, down from 25,299 rupees, saving you 34%. It's an amazing offer for anyone looking to add style and comfort to their home. And here's an exclusive deal for today only, get cashback worth 4,188 rupees on your purchase. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Ready to elevate your living room? Click the link below to buy the Baley Leatherette 3-seater sofa from Pepperfry today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home furniture inspiration and product reviews.